Oh, hold on. That's what happens. It's always. Hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble a bicycle. I received this one before typhoon, like around almost 2 months ago, and before typhoon or before Christmas, and I wasn't able to. What happened was again to make it short, not shirt. What's wrong with you? Hold on. That's what happened. It's always make it short. I received a defective item, so I had to return it and reorder again, and it takes like a few weeks or even a month. I think 1 month. So here it is. We received a replacement like almost 2 months, so I put it in storage because I was so busy and I don't know, and I forgot about it. So now let me open it. So let's see if this time it's the correct one and it's not defective. Because if it is, well, I may not be able to return it because it's been like 2 months since I got it. Let's see. It looks nice. Well, I think it's nice. It's a red color. Is it red or pink? It's red. I think it's red. I'm going to show you how to assemble a bicycle in 10 minutes. Huh? Oh! It's broken. No, it's not. Of course, we need to assemble it. Thea, come on, you help me. Oh, this is fun. Looking at it, it's like, oh my god, can I really like fix it? There's no manual. There's no manual? It's a plastic. Is it like secondhand? At least it's not broken. The last time this one was broken. What is this? Oh my goodness! I'll show you. It's red. Thea, look. Come here. Your bicycle. Come here. Come here. Come here. What color is this? This is red. Is this red? Yes. Okay, you help me fix it. Assemble this. It's really fixing because it's not broken. Just like, oh my god, there's no. How can I fix this? There's no manual. There is nothing inside the box. Okay. You're like, oh no! I was able to put this one here, so at least I don't need to hold it. So this one, ooh, like these. This vlog is titled how to assemble your bicycle, so I have to make sure that it's successful, so you will learn with me, right? So where this should go. So guys, let me just check. Well, let me just check if I can find an instruction. I can't find instruction online. What is the model of this? Bike tech. Bike tech. For kids. New. How to assemble your bicycle? Yeah, got it.
So now you will see me on your cycle. Let's assemble it. Don't take a step and again, push. Now.
Oh my god, this is a big one. Instructions on YouTube. It's like, oh my god. My relative has a repair shop for motorcycle or cars, so I'm sure he knows how to fix it. I'm going to bring it there.
Uwa pa ha? Oh, pagag lang ko na lang ko og pila.
Oh, wala na siya, 2,000.
Oh my god. 2,000 og 4,000. Thank you. Sige.
A few inches later.
Yung na mo pag-ayo.
Taran! Tapos na. Oh, diba? Ang galing ko. Ang galing-galing ko talaga. Oh, everything's fixed. I'm super galing. Yes! You teach Inday how to bike? Okay, you sit down. Okay. Allah! You stand like that.
You roll like it, like this. You roll like this.
Oh, okay.